Hi, welcome to another episode of Silver Fox Scotland. Unbelievable one. John Swinney has admitted that men cannot get pregnant. He firmly believes that only women can get pregnant. He said this out loud. You know, his inside voice came out. And he's been saying that, yeah, this is absolutely fine. No problem. This is after 2 days of his lawyers, as in the Scottish Government's lawyers, the SNP lawyers, in the High Courts, fighting to say that men can get pregnant. So if he firmly believes that men can't get pregnant, why is he wasting so much public money on a case he doesn't even believe in? He's got to be struggling, surely, to square that circle. You have this gender case going through where they're trying to say that men who dress as women are women and women who dress as men are men, but a woman biologically who dresses as a man is legally a man, even though she can get pregnant, meaning men can give birth in law. It's called a legal fiction, or as I like to call it, bollocks. But it's also what John Swinney calls it, muckbollocks. Because there's no way, of course, that a man can get pregnant. Now, this challenge by 4 Women Scotland, the case is over. It's gone off. They're going to ruminate and decide, the judges. They'll come back in a few weeks' time. But you have to question the justification by the First Minister who's saying that men can't get pregnant as to why this case was even allowed to go forward. It's quite clearly rubbish. And yet there he is. It's rabbit holes, isn't it? You're going down rabbit holes legally. I think we are through the looking glass into a strange world. The fact is that John Swinney knows this and yet is complicit in keep pushing that which he knows to be insane. So either he has some other agenda, he's nuts, he's stupid, or there's something else going on. Backhanders? I think actually what it is, it's embarrassment. Because they pushed this agenda when they had the Greens in. And now, even though the Greens have gone, they can't suddenly stop pushing this or they'll look foolish. And so I think that's what it is. It's basically pushing it to save their embarrassment. Even if they lose, they can say, well, the courts, or we've tried our best, but the courts went, I don't think he wants the case to be won. I think he'd be relieved if they lost the case, so long as it wasn't seen as them cancelling it and looking as though they've gone back on their word. They say, well, we took it, but the court said no. And I think that's where he is. Let me know what you think about any of it, really. But it is just weird, isn't it? Thanks a lot. Bye. By the way, before I go, it's not as weird as what's coming up next. The next video will blow your mind. Bye.